Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday. Today I'm starting a new series of grammar videos. And for the next 4 weeks, I will be posting videos about conditional sentences in the English language. Today I will explain the general principles of the conditionals and talk about the so-called zero conditional. And then in the next videos, I'll talk about the first, the second, and the third conditionals. Let's start with the structure of the conditional sentences. It has 2 parts: the condition and the main clause. The condition is usually introduced with the word if, but it could be unless, when, supposing, but the main idea is if the certain condition is fulfilled, then the action in the main clause will take place. For example, if the weather is nice tomorrow, we'll go to the beach. If the weather is bad tomorrow, we won't go to the beach. If the sentence starts with a condition, then after it we put a comma. If the weather is nice tomorrow, comma, we'll go to the beach. You can also switch the main clause and the conditional clause, then you don't use comma. You can say, we'll go to the beach if the weather is nice. No comma there. These were the main rules that apply to every conditional. My firm belief is that the best way to learn the conditionals is to memorize the example sentences for each conditional and then fill them in with your words according to the situation. Let's look at the zero conditional. The example sentence for the zero conditional is: if you mix red and yellow, you get orange. I'm talking about the colors here, by the way. The reason why it is called the zero conditional is that there is no real condition there. It is used for general truths or actions that always happen. You can't get any other outcome when you mix red and yellow. It's always orange. Some other examples of zero conditional could be: if you don't water plants, they die. Or if you exercise regularly, you get in shape. Sometimes instead of the word if, you can use the word when. The sentence has the same meaning. When you mix red and yellow, you get orange. When you exercise regularly, you get in shape. Note that we only use the present simple form of the verbs, both in the if clause and in the main clause. We don't use any future tenses here. Let's practice. I'll start the sentence and you will finish it using zero conditional. I will pause for 5 seconds to give you time to think. If you heat water to 100 degrees, it boils. If you don't brush your teeth, you get cavities. Now let's switch the clauses. You are tired in the morning, if you go to bed late. That was all for today. Next week we'll talk about the first conditional. Until then, have a wonderful day and a great week. Bye.